The AI gold rush is here, and it's creating new millionaires every single day. As we speak, entire industries are collapsing, jobs are being replaced, and the economy is shifting in real time. But if you're like 99% of people, it's very likely that you're still sleeping on this generational opportunity. If I'm being honest with you guys, this is your best shot at getting rich since the dot-com boom back in the 90s. And if you miss it, it just might be the last chance you ever get.
When I first touched ChatGPT, I thought it was just a toy. 6 months later, I realized it's the shovel in the AI gold rush.
Is to learn the basics. You don't need to master AI to get rich. You just need to learn the basics. You don't even need to learn how to code or do anything complicated. You just have to start using these AI tools daily in your workflow. And to be real with y'all, it's actually much easier than you think. Pretty much every day for the last 6 months, I've been using ChatGPT to help with my day-to-day work. From business strategy to video ideas, I even use it for my daily workouts and the occasional piece of life advice. It was from doing this that I truly started to understand how crazy this technology actually is, and more importantly, start to learn how to push it to its full potential. And keep in mind, I've made over $10 million in my 20s through a variety of business models, software, e-com, coaching, content. But I'm telling you guys, I've just never seen anything like this.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
So 6 months ago, I dropped pretty much everything to focus entirely on this AI gold rush, because I've genuinely never seen a bigger opportunity in my entire life. And you need to do the same if you want to get rich this year. So if you want to make money with AI and you're a complete beginner, step number 1 is set up an account on an app like ChatGPT and then use it every single day.
So I looked at all the AI business models: agency, apps, coaching, and commerce. Only one of them truly made sense for beginners. Let me explain. I tested every AI business model you've probably seen online: agency, apps, coaching, commerce, and most of them, total traps.
What industry are you going to decide to build your business in? Now, what I consider to be a good industry is one that hits on these 3 criteria. Is it easy to learn? Does it have low startup cost? And is it scalable? So right now, I want to compare the 4 most popular AI business models against each other so we can come to a conclusion and see which one is the best for people just starting out.
I will tell you more about it in a moment. Basically, we do digital marketing. We use AI, we use automation, and in our 99% done for you program, we help beginner 9-to-5ers and business owners like yourself earn high-ticket affiliate commissions like this. And the program is 99% done for you. If you're thinking how you can start with the free training video. Just go to moshbarry.com or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio to watch the full training video. It has 2 parts. In the first part, I will show you how we run our digital marketing business with AI. And in the second part, we will show you our program and how we can help you make this kind of passive commissions. So it's absolutely free to watch training. Go ahead, watch the training video. And if you have any question, DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions.
We've got AI agency, we've got AI app, which is what most people think you need to get rich with AI. We've got AI coaching and AI commerce. So I want to go through each of these and rank them based on a few criteria. The first is learning curve. Now, starting an AI agency has a very high learning curve. You have to get to the point where you are a master before you can start selling people packages for thousands of dollars a month. That's what you do with an AI agency. So I would say the learning curve is very high, and I would also say the scalability is very low. The problem with agencies is that you have to deliver the work yourself. So once you have one client and you're making $2,000 a month, that's great. But once you have 20 clients, Now you're in a situation where you're making more money, but you have no time.
Once I picked AI commerce, I had to face the next challenge. Which tools do you really need in your AI toolbox? Let's see. Once I chose AI commerce, I had one big problem. There are thousands of tools out there. Total overwhelm.
Well, the first step before anything else is to build your AI toolkit. Look, the amount of AI tools out there in the market today can be a bit overwhelming. And if I'm being honest with y'all, it's really hard to choose the right ones to focus on to build your business around. So what I want to do today is just give you my personal AI toolkit that I use for my own stores. Thanks to AI, now you can pretty much automate the entire process of getting your store off the ground. There's literally tools for everything from building a store, doing product research, and even creating extremely realistic video ads with real people. Because I believe so much about the future of AI, I wanted to first give you guys the golden opportunity to capitalize on this. So listen, I've been spending the last 3 months of my life 24/7, no sleep, every day, creating a 100% free challenge where you can have the chance to win $100,000 cash simply by starting your first AI dropshipping store. Not only will I be giving you all the tools and knowledge to build your first $1,000 a day store, but I'll even create your store for you for 100% free. This is called the AI Com Challenge. And inside this free platform, you're gonna get everything you need to get started.
With the store ready, the big question became obvious. How do you get customers flooding in? Let's dive in. When I launched my first AI store, I thought finding customers would be the hardest part. Turns out it was the easiest.
Finally start getting customers. The best way to do this in 2025 is with AI UGC ads. You can automatically generate these extremely realistic AI ads to sell any product you want, and then post those videos for free on TikTok or use them to run ads on Facebook. Facebook ads, honestly, are the thing that made me my first million. Learning how to master this skill set me free with e-commerce and all the other businesses I've launched over the last couple years. But now it's easier than ever to succeed with Facebook ads because the biggest struggle that I had in the beginning of my journey was making these high quality creatives. Like, it used to take me hours and hours to go and find different footage from the internet, put it into an editing software, learn the best style to put it together, add music, chop it up, add captions. Well, now AI automated this entire process and allows you to make better ads than I used to make back in the day. So it's really, in my opinion, one of the best times ever to start to learn how to run paid advertising because you have all these crutches, you have all these handicaps that you can use at your disposal. Literally, all you have to do is find products that are currently trending on TikTok, create fresh video ads with AI, and with one good ad, a decent product, and a couple bucks in advertising, you can easily start getting customers.
But once orders roll in, the boring part starts: support and fulfillment. Here's how I got AI to handle those headaches. I used to dread customer emails and late night order issues. Now I don't even touch them.
Thanks to AI, you can automate most of the essential operations in your business. Of course, I'm not gonna sell you the dream that you have to do nothing and make completely passive income. You still have to put in the work to build your business. But a lot of the boring stuff that we used to have to do can now be fully replaced by AI. So therefore, once you start getting customers, you should try to automate as much as you can to free up your time to focus on the important stuff like marketing and store optimization. For example, one of the things that used to be the biggest pain for me was customer service, whether I was doing it myself or having to hire a team to do it. But now with AI, you can fully automate your customer support. You can even add live conversational chatbots that sell your products for you. It's absolutely crazy. And every big company in the world is doing this. Go ahead and call up your favorite company. You're not gonna talk to a human. You're gonna talk to a conversational AI robot. It's unfortunate, but it's just the way that the world is heading. And you can use these same exact systems in your small business to get back your free time to focus on the stuff that is truly important. There's even tools that I use to automate the order fulfillment. So now the two most annoying tasks, customer service and fulfillment, are completely handled by AI. And once you have this foundation set up, you pretty much have everything you need to start.
And that's when it hit me. You're just one winning product away from changing your life. Here's how you scale. You're just one product away from life-changing income, and AI makes finding it faster than ever.
Start scaling your business. I always tell people you're just one product away from changing your life forever. Once you find your first winning product and set up a foundation for your store, your life will never be the same. Growing an e-commerce business completely changed my life. I was a dead broke kid who never excelled in anything in my life. But this business model is the one that set me free and made me my first million while I was still in college. And I still believe it's the best business for anyone who is just getting started in their journey.
This is the best time in history to launch. Stop watching from the sidelines and start your launch today. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.